In this lesson, you will learn how to use sticks and stones division strategy. This strategy is intended for learners who do not understand standard algorithm. I will model how to use sticks and stones by breaking the strategy down step by step. First, we will start off with a 2-digit dividend and a 1-digit divisor. Learners must understand place value, be able to identify parts of a division problem, and skip count to fully grasp the concept. This equation is 44 divided by 3. 44 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. It is important to remember that stick has the value of your divisor and stone is always equal to 1. I made this key on the side of my equation to make sure that I don't mix my values up. Another helpful hint is to separate the digits in the dividend with a solid line. The solid line allows the learner to easily identify if any stones need to be regrouped after skip counting. Here's my solid line. Now let's solve this equation. I'm going to start off skip counting by 3s in the tens place since it is the highest value in the dividend. I am going to count until I get to 4. Keep in mind that 4 is not a multiple of 3, so I may need to use a combination of sticks and stones. Stick is worth 3, so here it is, 3, but I have to count up until 4. So I am going to use a stone to equal 4. Now we're going to count the amount of sticks under the 4 in the tens place and record it above this 4. We have 1 stick, so I will write the number 1. The stone that is under the 4 in the tens place has to be regrouped. We're going to give that stone to the 4 in the ones place. The 4 now becomes a 14. Remember, you may have to use a combination of sticks and stones. In this case, 14 is not a multiple of 3, so we will need both. We're going to skip count until we get to 14 by 3s. Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12. We have to stop right here because if I use another stick, I will go over to 15, but I'm trying to get to 14. So I'm going to use 2 stones to get to 14. This is just like multiplying. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, which is 12. And remember, the stones are 1. So 12, 13, 14. We're going to count the amount of sticks that we have over here under the 4 in the ones place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks. So we're going to record this 4 right above the 4 that is in the ones place. Notice, there are 2 stones left over, but we cannot regroup them. The leftover stones will be the remainder. So our quotient is 14, remainder 2.